Ready to head out to go down to the local bowling alley where they're going to show the Steelers game today. But first, we got a package in the mail today, and I want to try it out. And I was gonna, the wind is crazy today, but what the heck? Anyway, so I was gonna open it up and show you guys what I got. It's something for the RV. So pay no attention to the mess in the back. I haven't gotten out here yet, so. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I forgot to bring my stand out. So anyway, it's from Joy Tuttis. I got it off Amazon. Sorry, but they are cup holders for the front, our front seats up there. So hang on just a second and I'll show you. Okay, so right now we don't have any cup holders on our doors. So my husband made these things that just slip down in the window. But, I mean, we have these two here. But, see, and then he put his over here. But we just don't have any on the doors, and we like to have them, I don't know, we just like to have them over there on that side. So, here's Rainy. Okay, so, yeah. Supposed to be 2 in here. So it goes like this. That's the rubber mat that goes down inside there. Whoop. Okay, so there's that. And then it came with a tray. And, oh man, I thought I got the 2. I only got 1. Well, shoot, I'll have to go back and check my order. Anyway, so you have this. Let me go up here and put this over here. This goes... Okay, hang on. Let me figure this out and then I'll bring it back. Okay, so... this tray just slid right down in there. There was a little groove there that the tray slides down in. So you have a big cup holder. You have the tray, which it would probably go over here. Because if you notice, please excuse all the dog hair and dust. I have not gotten out here and cleaned. But anyway, if you notice, we don't have a lot of... you know, flat space for like Doug's keys, his cell phone. Just this has the tray. It has a spot here for your cell phone. And then this is also come out and it's another cup holder. So, there we go. So yeah, that's that. We love Joy Tut. I don't know how you say it, Joy Tuttis, but we have their little freezer, refrigerator, outdoor cooler thing. We have had that for a few years and we love it. When we go on big trips, we can pack it full of pre-made food, meat, and because it's a freezer and it has a little refrigerator space on the side. So we really love that. And it's a great product. It's lasted for years. You plug it in either to an AC or it has a 12 volt, so you can plug it in up front and light the what we called cigarette lighters. But yeah, so we really like the Joy Tuttis products, and I really thought I ordered 2 of these, but I guess not. I'll go back and look. So we're going to see how this works, and I'll let you know. I also wanted to go on record saying that we are not affiliated with Joy Tuttis in any way. We're not sponsored, paid, nothing. We just like their products. It's a beautiful day here in Ohio. I hope it's beautiful where you're at. We are getting ready to go root on the Steelers. So have a great week, everybody. Happy Sunday.